Hello and welcome to Gardening with Ben. In today's video tutorial we're going to be showing you how to save sweet pea seeds. Sweet peas are pretty expensive to buy when you're buying them in the packets from the supermarket or the garden centre. So if you've grown some sweet peas from a packet that you've purchased and they've done really well, why not save the seeds, what they have produced, to save you having to buy them for next year? And you can carry on growing the same fantastic sweet peas year on year. So let's see how we're going to do it in this tutorial. So our sweet peas have done absolutely fantastic this year. The colours have been amazing. They've been a mixed variety, so I know what variety they are, what are growing. So when I mark them up, I can see what packet they are when I plant them again for next year. When the flowers start to die off, they will soon start to produce a pea pod, which will look something like that. You don't want to pick the pea pod when it's like that. You want to wait for it to go brown and die off before picking the seeds. So when it's ready to pick, it'll look something a bit like that, the pea pod. It will have gone brown and crispy and it will no longer be green. So we can now pick that, ready to store, ready for growing next time. So all you need to do is to pick it off. Don't pull it off because you don't want to damage the plant, just in case it's growing more pea pods. You just need to get your scissors and snip it off, just like that. So we've now picked some pea pods what are ready, some sweet pea pods. So we're going to take these home and we're going to empty them out and store them in an envelope. So let's head back home. So we're now back home and we've got all the sweet pea seeds that we've picked for today. So now the next job is to take out all the seeds from the pods and let's see how many we get. So that's all the sweet pea seeds out of the sweet pea pods, and they can now go in a brown envelope where you can save them in a dry space until you need to plant them. So if you check in the top corner as well, you can see a link to how to grow sweet peas from seeds if you need any advice on that. So yeah, pretty much done. I hope you found this video useful. Feel free to check out the other video which is suggested, saying about how to plant sweet pea seeds. Check that out and remember to click that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my hints and tips on gardening, and also feel free to follow our social media accounts as well that are listed below. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and until next time, keep gardening. Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, which you can subscribe to, and they are all Gardening with Ben. I also have my own website which you can go and visit, which is www.gardenandallotment.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.